Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this RC stunt car for my son.
Thank you.
So what this is, it's a little stunt car, and it can go through motion. It can be used through a remote. It goes upside down, it flips around, it drifts. It does so much cool stuff. So here, pull this out of here and let's look at it. So it actually is rechargeable. It comes with the actual rechargeable batteries and the cords, and it has a little hand guide here that you can put on to then guide it with your hand. So this car actually has a smoke function where you add water right here. They give you a little water thing and you add your water in there. And then when it goes, so these remotes do actually require your own batteries. So you'll need 2 AA's for this and 2 AAA's for this one. This one did come with the rechargeable battery and an extra one. So that's really nice. And then you have your charging cable as well. So let's take this little guy outside and watch him go. So here's our remote right here. And we've got all the buttons are very good labeled on here. You actually can put him in a demo mode and he'll show you everything you do. Make him move around. You've got your shifting back and forth. And then on the back side here, you have the light and the smoke that you can control and the sound on the other side. So we are gonna watch him go. Let's get his lights on. Can you turn his lights on for him? So he does have all these different lights. And now, drift him. Good. Okay, can you make him 360?
Wait, what?
Can you make him big? There he goes. All right, take him off. Make him run. All right, now let's use the hand motion thing.
All right.
Okay, so now we've got the hand guard. And you control it however you want to do it with your hand movements. This would be a great gift to give to any kid, even a dad to go play with. This thing is really cool. It has so many different features and 3 different ways to control it. This does have a little guide that actually tells you how to move the controllers and how to use all of it. And there are several different pages on how to use it all, so you too can learn how to use this awesome car and be able to play with it. Whee!